What's going on, guys? Welcome back with another video with your host, Mr. Magic, aka Mr. Wonderful. And pretty much on today's video, guys, I just passed by the store, pretty much on my way home from work. Uh, and then, and by the way, guys, Target does have some pretty cool products. I mean, I gotta give it to them. This time around, I picked up some third-party packs. So we're gonna go ahead and crack right into those, guys, so you guys can check it out. All right, guys, so here we go. We're pretty much gonna get right into this. So if you guys can see, sorry about the camera angle, guys. This is pretty much what I have to work with in my studio right now, until we go ahead and build that up. So we have 2 packs, 2 rare, 2 bonus here. And it just comes in this pack here. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. All right, guys, so here we go. First, we're gonna take these out, because it looks like we have a Umbreon and Darkrai tag team GX. So here we go, guys. First pull. Well, I guess I can't say pull. First opening here. Black Lance, pretty awesome move as well. And we also have Kara Costa there. So not too bad, guys. Pretty much what you'd get in your average promo box there, guys. As well as a Burning Shadows Sun and Moon pack, guys. As you guys know, those packs are pretty awesome and very special. I know you guys have been collecting those. So let's go ahead and sleeve this guy up. As well as sleeve this guy up right here. And there you go, guys. So not too bad. Let's see what's going on in the other side. As you guys know, there's pretty much two of everything. So it's pretty much going to be the same. Mirrored on this side. I'll try to be very careful. But as you guys know, these are third-party packs from Target. So if you guys go ahead and pick those up on your way home, it's gonna look something similar to this. And so we do get a Guardians Rising here. So I'm not too sure what's going on with that, but I don't think I have opened up too many. There we go, Sharpedo and Oricorio. And definitely 2 really awesome Pokemon there. And these are the rares as well, guys. And so I guess the other ones were the bonus. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and get started with the Guardians Rising here. And there's a code card for you guys. And we're gonna get started with a green energy. Sorry guys, just had to adjust the audio there. So we're gonna get started with a leaf energy there. Rescue Stretcher, Sudowoodo, Kamala, Beldum, Petalil, Fletchling, Alolan Geodude, Barboach, And there we go, reverse holographic Drampa there. So not too bad there. You know, if any of you guys like Drampa out there. And Vanillux for the regular rare. All right, here we go, guys. Burning Shadows. And I guess I'm not really sure what's going on with these packs, but at the same time, you do get Burning Shadows. So I mean, anytime you get Burning Shadows, I guess that's, you know, that's a good thing. So all right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started here with Metal Energy. Lana, Tormenting Spray, Heatmore, Pansage, Kurogunk, Pikachu, Panpour, a little Cutiefly there. And there we go, guys. We got a reverse Butterfree here. Not too bad for all you Butterfree fans out there. Reverse holographic. So yeah, anytime you get a rare and it's a holo, like this one, we got holo Lucario. And guys, this is a pretty awesome card. It's definitely one of my favorites. So we'll go ahead and sleeve that guy up. And just let me know out there, guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are, you know, filling these packs, give me a thumbs up. So far, you know, like if it's, you know, we can only go to the rooftop from here. You know, we can only pretty much skyrocket. So, all right. So we got 2 packs, 2 rares, 2 bonus here. It's not really getting a good opening here, guys. Kind of struggling. So there we go. So, you know, I managed to get this one open here, and there we go, guys. We got the second half. You know, like I said, guys, you know, you really have to just get the promo box. I mean, this is the only way you're getting these cards, is from the promo box. And like I said, we did pull the Mirror, Umbreon, and Darkrai pretty much, since it looks to be, you know, two different sets there, or 2 different type of collection boxes, but we have both of them now. And luckily I didn't have to, you know, I was hoping, oh, there we go, guys. So it looks like what they did is a repack of the boxes is what happened. So I pretty much got the rares for, like, you know, 10-20 bucks. So, you know, I'm not too, you know, I mean, I'm not too thrilled about that, but at the same time, you know, anytime you get a GX here, and especially since this is the promo GX, we, you know, for any of you EV fans out there, you know, that's definitely a win. All right, guys, there you go. So it's sleeved up for you guys. We'll go ahead and set that to the side. And so we still have the other side, guys. So we pretty much have this side left. So let's see if I can get... Man, I really hope I get better at this, because this is terrible. Alright, I mean, you're probably going to have a hard time opening these, but aside from that, all right, so we did get a Guardians Rising here, Sun and Moon, and then the base set Sun and Moon also as well. So, and let's see what we get as the two rares are Smeargle and Frost Rotom. And definitely a cool card, Frost Rotom. So I'm pretty thrilled about that. Well, I'm not too thrilled, but you know, I like it. Alright guys, let me go ahead and clear the table for you guys here. And we'll go ahead and get started with the Guardians Rising here. Alright, I'll try not to ruin the suspense for you guys. So you guys can check this out. As we get started with a Leaf Energy, Glalie, Watchog, Multi-Switch, Gligar, Bellsprout, Cottonee, Alolan Sandrew, Mudbray, and there we go guys, we got a reverse Fletchling and an Oricorio. So an Oricorio for the rare, and so far I feel like the bonus rares and the regular rares have been a lot more flame, guys. I don't know what's going on. I hope these packs are not letting me down. But we do have a Sun and Moon base set here, so there you guys go. Code card for you guys. And we have a Thunder Energy, and we have Energy Retrieval as well. Corsola, Trumbeak, Poliwag, Skarmory, Morlo, Fomantis, Sparrow, and there we go guys, a reverse Litten, ready to do some battle in there. And we have Vikavolt as well. So it's not a bad card here. Pretty much gets your Pokemon set up with Leaf Energy and Thunder Energy. And so you pretty much get to search those out. So I'm really liking this card, and it does look like it is a holo as well, guys. So there we go. We pulled a holo Vikavolt. Alright guys, that's not all guys. We do have another pack right here. So let's go ahead and crack into this one. I feel like opening these third-party packs is always like gonna be a huge struggle. I feel like I see that all the time, and now I understand. Like, I literally feel your pain, guys. So there we go, guys. We have a Burning Shadows, and we have another Kara Kausta there. So it does look like we're doubling up on our tag team promo cards, and so like I said, guys, it does look to be like the premium collection cards, and you know, that's not bad, guys. I mean, I literally paid, you know, $10 for each of these, so I'm not really, you know, too bummed out. And mainly I was kind of just pretty much struck by curiosity. So, but yeah, there you go, guys. So I mean, and at this point I do think, I mean, even though they're promo cards, I mean, it's still a rare. I mean, at the end of the day, you know, it's still a tag team. So I feel like, you know, I feel like that kind of does set the bar a little bit. I mean, because, you know, if I do get, as long as I get like a GX out of this pack, then I won't be too bummed out, I guess. And as always, guys, please remember to give a like, as well as share. There we go, guys. And here we go. We have a Guardians Rising here. And we have our promos are Rotom and a Evolutions Electrode there. So not bad. So it looks like we got Evolutions and a Rotom. Evolutions Electrode and a Rotom. So that's cool. And there you go. That's a code card for you guys. And I'm just kind of really happy as long as I didn't get like fake cards. I mean, there's people that literally like buy fake cards out there. So Hakamoto, Energy Lotto, that's a good card. Machoke, Rockruff, Salandit, Murkrow, Snorant, Patrat, Alamomola. Alright, well, moving on here. Solgaleo, there we go, guys. And it looks like that is a regular rare. Regular rare Solgaleo, but nonetheless, kind of spicy there, so go ahead and set that to the side. And let's go, guys. Let's see if we can get a GX card out of this pack. I mean, at this point, I will just pretty much be satisfied with a GX. So here we go, guys. We have a green code there. Green code Burning Shadows, so and we have Ribombee there, Locurlia, Olivia, Hoot Hoot, Sandagast, Rhyhorn, Meryl, little Caterpie there, pretty snug. And we have a reversed Wimpod there, pretty much trying to wimp out. And we have Malamar here, so we have regular rare Malamar. So there we go, guys. So I mean, I'm guessing they just don't put. I mean, I'm just wondering how selective they are in like choosing what cards. And I guess I did try to go for, you know, pretty much as many, you know, different looking packs as possible. So, but you never do really know what you're gonna get out of these third-party packs. But there we go, guys. Let's go. I'll try to be pretty gentle here. As we adjust the camera for you guys. And let's go, guys. Charizard GX. So not, you know, not your most favorite Charizard, but a Charizard GX nonetheless. And I really, you know, I am kind of excited about that one too. That is pretty cool. And it looks to be like a Venusaur and Snivy. So yeah, guys, I mean, it looks like it was just pretty much, you know, a promo from the Detective Pikachu here, and then a promo from the Venusaur and Snivy. So not too bad, I guess. So let's go ahead and sleeve these up, guys. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, so here we go. We have another Burning Shadows. So hopefully we don't get disappointed by this one. Okay. So we do have a green code there. I mean, I'm guessing it's just dud packs after this. I don't know. You know, but they are giving us some promos, so they are giving us some spice. We got Porygon 2, so there you go. Weakness Policy, Simisage, Oddish, Duskull, Morlo, little Caterpie there, just hanging out, and Meryl. And there we go, guys. Reverse Electabuzz for all y'all Electabuzz fans out there. I know I am, and Lycanroc as well. So definitely a Lycanroc fan as well. So not too bad, guys. You know, I mean, definitely those promos are kind of, I guess those promos are making the day, because you know, even though you're not getting like some super spicy packs, you're still getting a promo card from a, what's now I guess a $40 collection box. So I mean, they had to get them from somewhere. And there we go, guys. We have the last pack is a Guardians Rising, as well as Magearna and Simipour. And I definitely do like Magearna here. It looks like that's another promo card, or at least you know, it kind of has like a promo vibe to it. It does do change clothes, which is a pretty awesome ability. I am playing that on my Lapras deck right now. And then we do have Simipour, which is just Simipour, I guess. But we do have this last pack. But let's see, you know, let's see if we get some kind of last pack magic, guys. All right, Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. All right, guys, so we do have Energy, rest in peace, Fairy Energy, Vanillish, Whimsicott, Marini, Tentacool, Beldum, Helioptile, Phantom, Stuffle, Reverse Fletchlander there. So definitely love Pokemon. You know, bird Pokemons are some of my favorite. And we do have a Holo Machamp there. And Machamp does do some awesome damage. Looks like it does do 30 damage to itself, but that's okay. And does do Settle the Score, which actually, you know, looks like that can pretty much, you can turn up the heat there. I'm thinking so. And there we go, guys. And so that's pretty much it for this guy. But we are going to go over the pulls here. Looks like we have a Charizard GX, Venusaur and Snivy, Caracosta GX, Umbreon Darkrai Tag Team, Caracosta GX, Eevee GX, promo, also another Umbreon Darkrai promo, which is pretty cool. Doubles on that, and Espeon and the Deoxys promo there. And we got Vikavolt, Lucario, and Butterfree, and Machamp as well. All right, guys. So there you guys, you've seen it for yourselves. Thank you guys for joining me today. I'm your host, Mr. Magic, aka Mr. Wonderful, signing off. See you guys.